Good morning. Welcome to Cindy's RV Kitchen, and today we are going to be making a chicken mushroom gravy. We've had this several times. We usually put it over egg noodles, but you can also use it over rice or potatoes or whatever you like. And I've already got 4 chicken breasts in the crock pot, and I told you before, and I'll tell you again, that I love using these crock pot liners. Because they save on cleanup like you wouldn't believe. So I just want to put that out there. It just makes it easier as cleanup time comes along. So I've already got 1 can of the cream of chicken soup in the bowl, and there are 10.5 ounces each can. I'm doing 2 cans of the cream of chicken and 1 can of the cream of mushroom, because we're going to be adding fresh mushrooms in there as well, so we'll have plenty of mushroom, but it's just for the flavor. So okay, so let's get the cream of mushroom in there, and then about a teaspoon of black pepper. And then just a packet of the Lipton onion soup mix. Adds a great flavor to it as well. And about a half a cup. It calls for water, but I always use the chicken broth because of just keeps the flavor in a better position. So I'll put about a half a cup in there. And then we're going to stir that up. Actually, probably should be using a whisk for this. Let me grab one. I'll stir a lot easier that way. This is not time consuming at all. It takes maybe 10 minutes to throw together. So this probably takes the longest, is just putting it in and stirring it up. Get as much off of there as I can, because I don't like any of it to go to waste. So then we're going to pour this on top of the chicken. And I just pour it over there kind of evenly, but it doesn't have to be, because it'll get stirred during the process anyway, during the cooking time. Let me get my spatula so I can get it all out. Okay, so that's in. Spatula so I can get it all out. Okay, so that's in. And now all we have to do is add the mushrooms, and I put about 12 ounces in there. This is a 16 ounce carton of them. And you just spread them around on top. And it'll get stirred into the mix later too, after everything starts to cook. And you just stir occasionally, throughout the cooking time, which is about 6 to 7 hours. Our crock pot cooks hotter than most, so we're going to check it at about 4.5 to 5 hours on low. So that's pretty much it. It's simple, it's delicious, and I hope you try it and enjoy it. Have a beautiful day. About 4.5 hours. We have it on warm now. So it should be done. So what I'm going to do is just shred it, and I shred it. Everybody does it differently, but I just, for this meal, I shred it in kind of big chunks. So not small chunks like you do with tacos. So anyway, here we go. And once I get this shredded, I'm gonna cook the egg noodles, and then we'll let you see what it looks like when it's served up. And it's pretty yummy. And we usually get about 3 or 4 meals other than tonight's meal out of this. I just freeze them, and then when we travel, it makes for an easy dinner when we get to our next location. Now I think we're all done, so we'll just let this sit on warm, and I'll cook the noodles, and we'll let you see the final product. Okay, so we've got the noodles all cooked and ready. I put a little garlic butter in it because we love garlic, so it makes the noodles taste really good. So we're just gonna dish it up real quick, and everything is ready. We have Hawaiian rolls to go with it. That always adds some yumminess to the meal. And it is done. It is ready and done. So here we are. Turn the rolls on. Just warm them up in the microwave for 30 seconds and they'll be ready. And yummy mushrooms and chicken and gravy. Oh my goodness. So yummy.
It smells so good, y'all.
So if this is something y'all think you might like, hit subscribe, and thank you for joining me on this journey.